How to swap Ethereum to USDT on 1-inch using the Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Before starting, please ensure that your CySync desktop app is on the latest version and your device is connected to your laptop. Step 1. To get started, visit the official 1-inch exchange website. Select Launch D app and it will open in a new tab. To proceed with the swapping, select Connect Wallet on the top right of your screen. Now from the multiple options, select WalletConnect. Now select Desktop option. From the list here, select Cypherock. Now open the CySync app and you will see this screen here. Choose your wallet and then choose your account. Click Continue. Your wallet has been successfully connected and you can see that your Ethereum balance is showing here. Select the amount which you want to swap and select the USDT option. 1-inch exchange also provides you an estimated quote of the amount of USDT you will receive based on the current market rate. You also have to take care of the gas fees which you see here. Before finalizing the transaction, it is essential to review the details of your swap. Ensure that the transaction fees, slippage and other parameters are acceptable to you. Now select Swap. Now review the details one more time before confirming the swap. After you are done, click Confirm Swap. Now you have to switch to CySync app to confirm and execute the transaction. Select Continue. Now you have to confirm the transaction on the wallet device. Click Select, Processing, Blind Signing, OK. Now you have to verify the contract. Match the recipient ID which you see here and on the wallet device, then select. Verify the amount. Now the transaction fees is shown here. Click Yes. Now you have to enter the PIN if you have set up one. Tap any card on the bottom of the device to make the transaction. Your transaction has been successfully completed. Monitor your transaction now. We can view that on Etherscan. As we can see here, it has been successfully transferred. And now we'll go on to the CySync app to see if we have received the fund. We'll resync the CySync app to the blockchain and we'll wait. As we can see, the transaction has been successfully made and the swapping is completed. That's it for this tutorial and we'll see you in the next one.